Hi, this is John with WTI, and this lotion is just great. This is the Aromatherapy stress-free lotion. So one of the things that I like the most about this is not how moisturizing it is, so good. It makes your skin feel great, but the sensation that you feel after putting this is just great. It has a cooling feeling that whenever you put it on, you feel like a fresh breeze and you're feeling with the essential oils that are here, just calming and de-stressing. So the way that I like to do this is like this is the last lotion that I use in the day. So when I'm trying to calm down and set the mood for just going to sleep, I just put this on and I have the feeling, which is great, that you feel like all the sensation is like a carry-on spa. It has the essential oils, so it's gonna have the rosemary, it's gonna have all these flavors that you're gonna feel it, and it's just so calming. If you're looking for a great stress-free lotion, this one is great. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.